I am out in this beautiful setting driving our new 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak. That's a lot of words. So unless you guys have been living under a rock for the past year, you know that this is the last year to get the current generation Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger, and the Chrysler 300, which just might go away entirely. In our last video, co-editor Robert Miller showed you his new 2023 Chrysler 300C with the 392 Hemi, and that is a beautiful car, so congratulations to him. I as well wanted to get one of these last call cars before we get stuck with vacuum cleaners with screaming speakers on them. So luckily enough, I was able to pick this car up through White Rock Dodge, who I always buy my cars from. They're always fantastic to deal with. And I actually got to go to the Brampton assembly plant and watch this car get built, which was an insane experience. And I just want to take a moment and thank all the Brampton assembly plant employees for all their hard work. It's really cool to see how much those guys at the plant care. I went there and I figured it's just going to be a bunch of people doing their job that are probably annoyed that someone's there watching them build their car. But it was such a cool experience to watch this car basically come out of the paint shop, go down the trim line, and fire up its first start at the end of the line and come off. All the Brampton employees are super cool. I had people coming up to me asking, why did you choose this specific option? Why did you choose that? Because they're really actually engaged. So it's really, really cool to see, and everybody congratulating me on the car. So thank you to all the Brampton assembly plant employees. It's really too bad these guys have been building basically Dodge's Halo cars for the last many, many years, and they're losing these cars, and the next generation will be built at the Windsor assembly plant. So I really hope the Brampton plant does get a cool product to replace these with. Now, as for the car itself, 2023 Redeye Widebody Jailbreak, 807 horsepower. We've got the 309 rear end, 8-speed automatic, of course. And I got a little carried away with the options, but that is the beauty of the Jailbreak package. I mean, so many people, I think, waste it ordering a black on black car, with red calipers, which you could have got forever. So there was two reasons that I really wanted to order this car. Now, one was the Jailbreak program, so you could really spec the car to your liking. And the other was, of course, with this being the last year of them, I thought it would be a good car to hang on to going into the future. Now, for everybody that's wondering, where's our 2015 Hellcat that we were doing that Whipple 3.8 liter supercharger on? Don't worry, you still have the car, just working out the final few bugs, and we will have a video on that shortly. Let's go to the garage. I'll show you guys the exterior of this car, along with the interior, talk about some options that I picked and why I did. Man, this thing pulls hard. So you guys may remember the 2020 Trackhawk that I had factory ordered that was on this channel 3 years ago now. And of course, the idea with this car was to mimic that spec. So we've got it in frostbite blue here with the yellow calipers. We've got the Devil's Rim wheels, and I did do the hammerhead gray interior. So the seats, the seat belts, and the floor mat bindings in hammerhead gray. Looks awesome, and it's really a tribute to our old 2020 Trackhawk that was slate blue with the ski gray interior. And now as far as options on this car, and remember that I'm in Canada, so these prices are Canadian dollars. So a base price for a 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is $87,395, and optional equipment: Frostbite Pearl, which is $395 for the color. Laguna leather with the Hellcat logo was $4,495. Customer preferred package 27D, which is the Widebody Redeye Jailbreak package, another $27,295. Technology group, $250. Driver convenience group, $1,095. Harman Kardon sound system, $1,495. Hammerhead gray seatbelts, $125. Suede headliner, $600. Hammerhead gray floor mat bindings, $100. 309 axle ratio, $95. The black Mopar hood pin kit, that's $400. And I actually don't like the hood pins, so I had them not put on the car at the factory. Satin black SRT performance spoiler, $875. Satin black hood, $1,500. Black exterior badging, $250. Alcantara steering wheel with white LED, $250. I did do the 3-season Pirellis instead of the all seasons. That is an extra $695. $795 for navigation. $995 for the 20 by 11 inch Devil's Rim wheels, $650 for the carbon fiber interior accents, $300 for the yellow calipers, $1,000 for the federal green levy, $100 for excise tax, $2,795 destination, bringing the total MSRP to this car to $133,945. So overall, I'm extremely happy with this car. I really do love it. I'm not too sure how much it's going to be on the channel, to be perfectly honest with you guys, because I don't really have anything planned for it. If there's anything you guys would like to see, leave a comment down below, let me know. Most of our content is going to focus on that. Other than that, I'll probably take the car out to the track at least once. We'll get some numbers for it and we'll see what you guys want to see and go from there. Originally, I had thought about doing the stage kits from Direct Connection on the car until I found out that they actually void your warranty if you race the car with them on it, which seems kind of pointless, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.